Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you can see on the screen right here I got paid $5.59. And why the reason why I got paid this money is because I was able to set up a few things on autoresponder and I got paid, right? Now I know that's not a lot of money, it's actually a little amount of money, but if you're starting out, if you're looking for a way to make money online, this is for you. Yeah, what I do on this particular channel is that I create videos that are centered around making money online. I go out there, I found out things that works, and once I lay my hands on it and I found out that it works, I come back here on the channel and show you guys. All right, once it works. Yeah, so I just started this, and guys, it works like crazy. And yeah, this is my first earning on the particular website, and guys, I want to share it with you all, and so that you can start making more money with me. All right, in as much as I am making money already with this, you can as well make money with this particular thing that I'm showing you guys right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to my laptop screen right here, and guys, I'm going to show you what I've done to do this. Now let me explain. I'm going to show you 3 different websites that you can do this thing on. Now you're going to choose the website that you think suits you best. Yeah, now you're going to choose from these 3 different websites which one you want to use, and I'm going to show you guys what you're going to be doing on these 3 different websites. Now when I'm done showing you guys what you're going to do on these 3 different websites, I'm going to show you what you need to do, just the same thing you need to do to make the exact same amount of money or more money than I've made. And yeah, $5 point something it's very small. Yeah, so you can make more money than that. Now in a few days time I should be making a lot of money, more than what I've just made. This is actually the first earning on this particular website, and I just woke up. I just decided to show you to you guys so that you guys can actually make money with me. Now if I get to the website, I show you these 3 websites, you choose, and then I'm going to show you the tool that is going to help you. All right, I'm going to show you the tool that is going to help you. First I'm going to show you the paid tool, which if you actually don't want to do the work yourself, you can actually pay this particular tool to help you do it. All right, now you're going to pay a little amount of money, and you're going to get what you need to do, and you're going to fix it up on autoresponder. You're going to start making money. Yeah, and if you don't want to pay, I'm also going to show you guys the free tool which you're going to use. All right, that's a good thing. So if you want to know everything that I'm going to show you guys in this video, make sure you stick with me to the end of this video. Watch it step by step. All right, if at any point you get confused or you get distracted, all right, come back, watch it again, do it serially, take your time and watch it. All right, so that you get the idea of what I'm trying to impact. Yeah, so guys, before I continue, if I go to my laptop screen right now, I'll show you guys whatever it is that I've done to make this amount of money. Guys, I'd like to introduce myself. All right, my name is Ebenezer Redlink. Yeah, humble guy, Ebenezer Redlink. My name is Ebenezer Redlink, and one thing I do on this channel is that I create videos that are centered around making money online. So I go out there, I find strategies, I try these strategies, and once it works out for me, I come back on this particular channel and I share the strategy with you all. All right, so if you like what I do on this channel, if you like the videos I create, if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, and also turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I upload a new video on how to make money online, guys, you get notified. All right, because I'll be uploading videos that has to do with making money online. All right, this is actually my 4th video on this particular channel, and guys, we're getting traction. We're getting a lot of traction because we are actually posting content that helps a lot of persons. All right, now be sure to hit the subscribe button, right? Like this video, share with your friends who are willing to make money online, and don't forget to drop your questions, your opinions in the comment section. Right? Because I've not been seeing you guys dropping comments. Make sure you drop comments in the comment sections, guys. All right. So without further ado, guys, let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to my screen here, and just like I told you guys in the intro, I'll be showing us a hack that helped me to earn $5.59, that's almost $6, doing a little bit of work here. Now I'm going to show us what's going to help us do the work, but then we know we need to do a little bit of work, and that is going to help us to put this on autoresponder, and we're going to make a lot of money of this. Now I'm going to show us the first website, I'm going to show us the second one, the third one, and maybe the fourth one, which is going to help us to make a lot of money. And then I'm going to show us the tools that will help us to do this if we cannot be able to do this by ourselves. Yeah, so the first website here, it's called E-junkie. It's called E-junkie. E-junkie is spelled as EJUNKIE.com, right? So when you type this in your browser, it's gonna get you to a space like this, and you can see on the screen it says sell digital downloads. Copy paste the link to sell downloads on any website, or create your online shop in 5 minutes, sell ads, ebook, comics, merchandise, and more. Now You can click here to see how it works. But that's what I'm doing here. I'm explaining that to you guys. I'm showing you guys how this works, and you can click on get started and just create an account with them and start doing what I'm going to explain to you right now. So on this particular website, you sell on the website. All right, you can also create your own shop, and you can sell this product that I also sold on eBay on this particular website. But the difference is that you're not going to be selling physical products. You're just going to be selling things that can be downloaded. Yeah. So I know people easily buy things that can be downloaded. That's a good thing. That's a good path. A lot of person you can easily buy a book online, pay for it, and download it right into your phone or into your desktop. It's that simple. Now guys, I'm going to show us how this works. Now, just come to this particular website, create an account, and log in. And I'm going to show you what you're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to start selling ebooks. We're going to start selling ebooks. That is something that is really, really lucrative. Yeah, I've shown you guys my first earning. I just signed this up and I started making this money. So in no distant time, I should be making a lot of money from this. Yeah. So I don't want to wait till I make a lot of money from this. I just want you guys to be able to make this money with me. Yeah. So on this particular website, create an account, and you can actually try this website for 30 days for free. Yeah, you can try it for 30 days for free, and you can make your money. And the money you make is what you're not going to use to pay for the website to continue making money of it. But then you must have made your first bucks. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show us the next website right now. Now the next website which you're going to use is eBay. Now when you come to eBay, come over right here, the search bar, and type ebook. Remember I told you guys we're going to be creating ebooks. Now if you don't know how to create ebooks, you should not be worried, because guys, I'll be showing you how to create this ebook from the scratch. And if you don't know how to create it, I'll show you something that can help you I'll show you a tool that can help you to create ebooks, to create your ebooks. Now if you come over right here, you're going to see ebook, right? But then we're just going to go to fiction and non-fiction books. Yeah. So we're gonna go to fiction and non-fiction books, and you see how much the books here cost. Now on the other website you can make a little amount of money, but then what it just specializes on is just ebook. Yeah. But this one right here, you can make more money, and you see someone has sold about 834 copies, and one of the copies is sold as $1.1. Yeah, and this person has sold about 834 copies. Now that's about $830 something. Yeah, or way more than that. So you can actually make this money. You can make more than I have made. A lot of people who are doing this already, and you can do the same thing. I just tried it out to know if it really works, and yes, it does work. Why not try it out? Now this particular book is sold at $2.49, and this person sells it at, I sold about 437 books. And you can see the next one, this person sell this book at, this book is at $6.43, and this person has sold about 426 copies. So it's a whole lot of money. There's a lot of money to be made here. There's a whole lot of money to be made here, right? So, and all you do is create ebooks and upload it on this particular website, and people are going to buy, because a lot of persons buy from this website. Now, if you want to prove that, let's open this tool to show you guys a lot of persons trooping to this particular website. All right, so this tool is getting opened right now. Now, if you look over here, on the global rank of this particular website is 35, yeah, and it's ranking 14th in the United States, and we can see that on the monthly visit it has about 753.20 million. Now it means that a lot of this particular website, ebay.com, is getting a lot of traction. Why not place your ebook on this particular website and make a lot of money? All right, so you can do it. Yeah, so now I'm going to show us the next website. Yeah, and I'll click up this video right now, because at the end of the day, guys, I'm also going to show us another website that can help you make more money than you've made on E-junkie, more money than you've made on eBay, and more money than you're going to make on Amazon.com. Now, Amazon.com is just like the world leading marketplace. Yeah, so you can actually sell your product on Amazon. I can buy products on Amazon, but there is one thing that is actually making people money these days on Amazon, and that is selling a digital product, which is ebook. So you go to the icon to the bar, search bar right here, and type ebook, and then click on enter. If we allow it to load right now, we're gonna see tons of ebooks. People are selling ebooks on this particular website, and they are making a lot of money. they are making a lot of money. All right. Some persons, now this person has this person he didn't attach any amount to this. Now it's actually a strategy. Now it's actually a strategy. All right, but I'll be talking about it later on. Or let me talk about it right now. It's actually a strategy. This person has not actually listed this book for free here. All right, this person is actually selling this book for $4. All right, and same thing with here. Now if you look over here, you see it's or 3.99. This is actually $4. Yeah. Now how is this person doing it? This person brings out this book and places it here that if you purchase this book right away, and you're going to get it in a very long time, and you're going to get it for like $0. Yeah. But then if you actually want it instantly, you will pay for $4. And a lot of persons will not wait for a very long time to get this book, because this book actually looks interesting. They want to get it immediately, and they want to get it immediately, and they'll pay the $4. Yeah. All right, and they get the book immediately. All right, so you see this person is making about $15. This is $14 here, but then it's about $15. This is making $15 from selling this book on Amazon. Yeah. So if we continue to scroll down, we see a lot of persons are making money off this. Now guys, having showed us this, guys, I'm going to show you guys the next website where people are actually coming to. They want you to develop ebooks for them. They want you to create ebook covers for them, and you can actually create this on this particular website and give it to them, and you make money. All right, this is very, very fast. All right, now if you come to this particular website right here, it's called PeoplePerHour, and if you don't know what PeoplePerHour is, PeoplePerHour is like it's an alternative to Fiverr.com, right? And you know that Fiverr.com is very, very saturated. People also come to Fiverr.com to look for people who are going to design ebook and ebook covers for them. But then you want to stay away from the crowd. You want to stand out, and you want people to see you easily. All right. Now you want people to see easily. This website is for you. PeoplePerHour.com. Now guess PeoplePerHour.com. If you search for ebook here on PeoplePerHour.com, you're gonna see this. Something like this is gonna pull up here. You're gonna see design a stunning professional book cover for your Kindle ebook or physical book, and this person charges $30 to design something like this. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how you're able to design something like this. All right, design a beautiful eye-catching ebook or book or album cover. This person charges for like $115. Yeah, design a professional book and ebook cover. This person charges $20 for one. All right, now you can actually set up a gig here and charge people. Now you don't want to be part of those who are digging the gold. You want to sell shovels. Yeah, so you can actually get on this particular website and sell shovels, sell the ebook to people. Now these persons who are going to sell it to are actually going to take it and they actually put it to on websites like Amazon. Yeah, so now you've known the website, you've known what we're doing. Now I'm going to show you guys the tools that's going to help you to make this money, the tool that's going to help you to put in the work. Now if you know how to create ebooks, you can do that on your own, but then if you don't know how to create ebooks, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this video. Now so hold on right now, let's get to the tool. Yeah, so the name of the tool we're going to use is called Design RR. Right? So you actually pay for this tool. Remember I told you guys I'm going to show you a tool which is actually a paid one, and after I show you the paid one, I'm going to show you the tool which is actually going to give this to you for free. Yeah, so if you come over to this place, you see that it all centers around creating ebook and lead magnets. Now this ebook and lead magnet you can use it for your personal marketing, or you can resell it. Yeah, you can sell it on Amazon Kindle, you can sell it on eBay, you can sell it on E-junkie, and you can also sell it on PeoplePerHour. Yeah, so you actually want to get to this website. If you have the money, you can actually pay up front and start using it. If you pay like $27 to use it in a month, you can actually make more than $27 from this channels, from these websites that I've shown you. All right, now you don't want to use this. Now the next one which I'm going to show you guys is the free tool, which is actually going to help you to create these ebooks. All right, and there are lots of ebooks that you can get, and you can sell those ebooks on this previous website that I've shown you guys. Now this tool is not that tool than idplr.com. idplr.com. Now before I continue with this one, the previous one that I showed you guys, it's called designrr.io. designrr.io. That is the website. All right, you can actually go. It's actually two, but then it's a website. You can actually use it free. No, not for free. You can actually pay $27 and use it, promote, make money of it, and that's it. Right. So the next one here, which I use, if you're starting out, you would want to use a free tool. Right now, when you've made money, that is when you can now start looking for a premium version. Now the difference is that a lot of persons are going to watch this video. Right now, since I'm getting traction, I believe I'm going to get traction on this particular video. And if I get traction on this particular video, it means that a lot of persons are going to watch this video. And if about 2,000 persons or 3,000 persons or 10,000 persons watch this video and about 5,000 persons try it out, that means they're going to use this free tool. All right, and this free tool, you're going to recycle the same information, and then and maybe you end up making this strategy not to work for a very long time. Yeah, because when people use a particular strategy for a very long time and they abuse it, it's gonna stop working. All right, so if you want to still remain in the game, get your money off, get started with this free tool, and then when you've made money off this, you can now start using this paid one. Now if you check up on this one, just sign up. It says register for free, and you can actually register for free. And if you come over right here, he has about 6,315 plus ebooks, 6,315 plus ebooks. Yeah, and you have about 604 plus graphics, and there are about 1,219 templates and about 200k articles that you can actually use on this particular for free on this particular website, and sell it on E-junkie, sell it on eBay, sell it on Amazon, sell it on PeoplePerHour. You make your money. That is the idea. All right, I've made $5.59 using this particular strategy, and you can make the same amount, and you can even make more. All right, so use this research particular strategy. When it works for you, make sure you come back on this particular channel and put in your comments. If you have questions, put it down in the comment section. And guys, I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. I'll be sharing with you guys another particular strategy that's gonna help you to make more money online. Without further ado, guys, peace out.